How do you feel about people watching you when you fix furniture?
In the beginning, it was a little nerve-wracking, I'll admit that. But after a while, I've gotten used to it.
In the beginning, we're talking about the 90s.
Okay.
In the 90s, sorry. How long does it take to be comfortable with someone watching over your shoulder for a repair?
Oh, it can take a long time. Or some guys just never get used to it.
Okay, really? Is that like a good skill to have though? Like if you're going to a customer's home, someone's gonna watch you, I imagine.
Yes, they always watch. It's good to engage in conversation too if you're nervous, because long as you're engaging in conversation, your customer will feel comfortable around you and you'll feel comfortable.